Yo, good morning. It's bright and early. It's about it is what, 4:45 a.m. and we are heading to the ranch. We're gonna a couple things today.
Yep, we're gonna get. The main thing we need to do is for Mom. We need to get those concrete things over to the DTA.
We're getting concrete cornhole.
The bags should be there at the same time.
That I bought at auction a long time ago. We're gonna get those. We're gonna fix the cutting edge on the 10-foot scraper so I can get those roads fixed up because yesterday was pretty bad. And we got the gooseneck.
Yeah.
So, anyways, to be continued.
We'll see you later.
All right, guys, just wanted to give you a little heads up at how gorgeous this 5 o'clock. Those are side cutting edges, so we probably do need those. Those look like they've been modified a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna put your side on first.
Yeah. Here,
Beans, that's where you're standing.
I'm gonna angle it a little more this way so they can see us do this side.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, so wait, so we need to be. We want it right.
I want it even with that
Here.
one. Where at? That just came off. Watch yourself.
It's okay.
Where? Right there?
Right there.
Mine's not staying. Is yours cross-threaded too?
Mine what?
Yeah. They're all all the bolts are cross-threaded. So, these aren't gonna work. Those wouldn't have went anywhere with no straps.
Those aren't going anywhere.
The straps are for looks.
God, I don't want to sell these. I can feel the wind on my booty.
Let's do the top one first. That one's a little, what they would call, on my side of town, wallered out. Just wanted to hold it for now, and then we'll do the other ones. Just so it don't fall off on your toes. Yeah, okay.
Remember when that thing almost chopped your head off?
Yeah, it was close.
If the camera was right here, that would have been crazy.
It was right here. Watch it. Okay, that's your side. Okay.
I need a nut.
No, I got it. I'm doing this side. The nut. I got the nut. Look at.
Oh. Okay, whatever you say.
A flat, a lock, and a nut. Okay. Let's put the middle one in. Let's see who's bothering
It's the family.
while I'm on the ranch.
Ugh.
I'm trying to. Oh, hello.
They called you? I'll say go hello. What are we talking about? Who is it?
Oh, there's a meeting in Kingman.
She can't come tonight?
No, that's not tonight. And Joe's still talking about dinosaurs.
Do you guys believe in dinosaurs?
Okay, so how low that one is to that. We want this to fairly match, right?
Yeah, so like,
Yeah, I think that matches pretty good. That needs to go up a little bit. We'll do it. Go ahead and snug that one.
my bad. I went so tight, I got my freaking glove stuck.
All right. The wrench.
Then we need that.
You got your you got your bang bang gun. Here we go.
There we go. I'll trade your sides.
Where are you going? Middle?
Look at this.
This went down again. Look at. Yeah, loosen that up there. I want to make them even. Push that up a little bit. Make them kind of even.
I like that there. Yeah?
Pretty close. Okay. Okay. The back looks good. That looks nice. Hit that bottom one.
That looks perfect. Bo. I think we did it.
New cutting edge. Well, no. Old cutting edge flipped. New side ones flipped.
Once I put it away, I'll just grab my boat at the same time. Pull the boat right here.
Oh,
So
okay.
then we top things on it.
There you go.
All right.
Hey guys. Thank you.
Oh, we need to do an outro, remember?
Thank you for joining us.
Yeah.
That was, and we only had one fun fact.
Well, they just send them here. They can be from anywhere. They don't want people that Hawaii arrest. They don't want people that Hawaii arrest get sent here. They might not be Hawaiian. No, they might not be arrested there. They're just people stolen Americans in Hawaii. Who are incarcerated in Hawaii. They ship them here. Yeah, in a little box. I don't know how they do that. I think it's on a plane. Like the carnival train. It's not all the animals. It's not spirit anymore. It's not spirit. No, so you find one of those airplanes or so. They got replay. Yeah. Anyways, everyone. Yeah. Good day. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah. Anyways, everyone.
Yeah.
Good
See you
day.
later.
Thank you for joining us.